Oh. Bonne année. Bonne année. Ouais, ça fait plaisir. Ça me touche, ça me touche. Oh, c'est la TikTokeuse. Wesh.
For band practice.
Unexpected things happen every day.
Phenomenon. Can SDN help me out with this? It's blocking the driveway.
You can count on SDN to help lift the burdens life throws at us. Let SDN be your rock, so you can rock.
Tu vas casser la.
SDN
Hein.
is not an insurance company and does not cover damages to property, persons, or animals.
Ça me fume, frère. SDM.
He's definitely not making it to band practice.
Yeah, well, yeah. Wait, what's that?
Qu'est-ce qu'il me raconte celui-là?
No, just the commercial. It was weird.
Weird. Yeah, right. Phenomenon man. He's like a rock star.
Il est beg.
It's I'm joking, cause of the rock and the roll. Cool, cool commercial. I'm a Phenomenon fan, you might say. You could say.
C'est pas un
that.
super acteur, quoi.
He's not the best actor, though, which was important for that commercial to be less, weird.
He is the best actor. Well, acting when there's danger. I think if the whole world is a play, then he's still awesome.
Can't argue that.
God. Okay. Yep, that's not right. That is not right. That is. Yep. That is.
Just
Yeah.
okay.
Je
Let
vais
me
t'aider, je vais t'aider.
help you.
Oh no,
with
no.
Je
not
sais pas faire
necessary.
de.
I'm sure I.
It's soaked. You nervous? Big job interview.
No, I mean yes, but yes is more. My powers make everything wet, moist. Water boy is how they call me, but yes, I am.
Oh non, pas Infernus, Inferno, je sais pas comment. Ah bah oui, les dents ça se recolle pas.
Oh, okay. Oh. Now that your face is next to a side of my face, I see that I know you, of you. You're Mecha Man. You're dead. I thought
Just on the inside.
you look small or different in person.
Normal, je suis
Never
dans un
meet your
robot.
heroes, kid.
Oh, wasn't sure you'd show up.
Oh, wow, Laser, Juan, a real hero.
Oh, sorry, but I need him for something. Follow me.
Wesh. Tout ça.
Take your clothes off.
What's happening right now?
We don't want too many people knowing you're Mecha Man. A lot of our dispatchers are former heroes, but it's better if you keep your identity a secret. We've had incidents in the past. Here,
Ouais, je dois mettre un.
I
Oh,
remembered you
je dois
being
mettre un pull.
clever. I was a little drunk. Listen, it's gonna be great.
I've never felt
Oh,
silly
pull, Apollo.
wearing this.
Until now.
Yeah, I was trying to imply that with the silence.
It worked. Get dressed. I have somebody I need you to meet. Oh, sorry. Should I turn around? Or what do you... should I close my eyes, maybe?
Ouais,
If
et là, ah, vas-y, Laura. Oh, là, je dois dire ce que je veux. Au revoir.
that makes you more comfortable.
Je m'en fous.
It's fine, I don't mind.
Oh, yeah, no, it's... it's sure.
Faut
I mean, don't
impressionner.
stare me straight in the eyes or anything, because that would be odd.
Yeah, I'll actually... Yeah, I'm just gonna... There.
Regarde dans le miroir. Tricheuse.
It doesn't look like it, but I am flexing every muscle in my body right now.
Really?
Okay, well, you didn't have to say it like that.
I want to say again, I'm sorry about last night. I
Je le prends
regret
super
the
mal.
way I conducted myself. It was a mistake. A complicated mistake. I can go into the details of those complications with you
Ouais, t'es
later.
bourré, wesh.
Look, we were both a little tipsy, got lost in the moment. You know, it's totally understandable. It was a nice night.
Il est
Nothing more
cassé
than
de
that.
ouf.
Yeah, I'd like to keep things professional.
Right, that's why you brought me to this conference room to strip down in front of you. Profesh.
Are you serious?
Oh non. Il y avait quelqu'un d'invisible là. Madame!
Who locks a conference room? So, you two fuck or what?
No professional lines
C'est
request.
chabonné.
Alright, so just like grinding. Clothes on stuff.
Busy? Knock it off. I just got a little tipsy at our meeting.
A meeting? Is that what it was?
Robert, this is Invisigal. She is part of the Phoenix program. We take former supervillains, such as herself, and rehabilitate them to re-enter society to use their powers for... Are those my earrings?
Well, they look better on me.
Invisigal, this is Robert. He'll be your team's dispatcher.
A washed-up dad bod superhero with no superpowers. Can't wait.
His identity, all of this, that's staying between us. He's still Mecha Man, but that can't get out. And if it does, I'll know who it came from.
You think I want to tell people our dispatcher's a fucking loser?
Look, I'm here to help. It's what I do. You have a chance to turn things around, bring some good into the world, and I'll support you in whatever way possible. So that maybe, just maybe, by the end of all of this, helping people is what you do too.
Well, I'm wet. I see why you like him. Look at that.
Quoi?
Crap. What does that look? Best Buy Fight Club? Fucking
Merci
hot.
Thomas, bonne année à toi aussi.
We have a weekly ranking list for all the heroes in the company.
And she's at the bottom.
She called herself Invisibitch when she was a villain. We're trying to rebrand her.
Yeah, I thought Invisigal felt kind of corny for her.
Oh yeah? The name was my idea. Just get your shirt on, Dad Bod.
This is SDN. How can we help you?
We're not the highest profile branch in the network, but we've got what makes the real difference.
Wesh, je fais quoi encore? Quoi? Il inclut du contenu non originel ou reproduit. Pas du tout.
Great people. Some of them aren't even people, and they're still great. One of the 3 copiers on this floor. Fax, scan, does literally everything. Documentation, one of the 3 Ds at SDN. There tends to be a healthy amount of paperwork. I used to call it triple Ds, but I was informed that had a different connotation.
3Ds?
Dispatching, documentation, diversity is the 3rd. Not in terms of priority, of course. Yep, we're all about diversity. Lana works in the mailroom, from a different galaxy altogether. And then there's Galen, way back there, born with super hearing. He's from, I want to say...
Florida.
Florida, of course. Florida man over there. Hey, easy on the bath salts.
That was one guy.
Hey, speaking of bath, where is the,
Oh, need a bio break?
excuse me?
Restroom. I mean, it's right over there. Sorry. At work, I tend to get a little
Corny?
corporate, Dick. Meet me in the records room when you're done.
Il
If you
pète
get
sa mère,
lost,
lui.
look for the
Je
door
parle pas
that says
beaucoup vu que c'est une
records room.
série. Mais... C'est l'image du jeu quand t'achètes le jeu.
Bruh, I almost went in my pants. Hey, you this Robert people talking about? What's up, brother? My auntie named me Roy, but people call me Royd. All right. Good to meet you, bruh.
Likewise.
Ah lui ça va être mon meilleur pote. Lui.
So Royd, like steroid?
Huh? Hell no, brother. No, cuz. Listen. Get 3 other guys here. They go by the name Royd. So I think it's like, we go scrap, we go ground, I boss you up, and then, you got Royd. You know what I'm saying, bro? That's what I think.
Ouais, j'ai capté.
Hey, you think
Oh,
that's
c'est
where
long
it
ma
comes
gueule, est-ce que cette vessie là?
from? Like I'm on steroids. Cause they think I'm some kind of a juice head. They think I'm not natty, bro. think Roy's not natty.
Une
No, I'm
blague.
just kidding, man. Just making jokes about your name and the shitter.
Whatever. I no care.
That's, yeah, Nokia is probably best. Nice meeting you, Roy, even if it was while we were both holding our dicks.
You one funny bugger. Mecha man.
Okay, so I was worried about your unwashed hand, but now I'm worried that everyone here knows who I am.
Nah, brother. It's Kapu. Need to know basis and Roy need to know. Other one gonna come pick up your soup or fix them for the SDN.
Cool. You gonna wash before you do that?
Nah, bro. I never touch nothing. Just touch my pants and underwear only.
Ah, c'est ça qui.
Even for shake, I just
Level
do
moins
like
comme moi.
this.
Ah, il me dégoûte.
Can you show me again? I don't think I got it.
Holy shit, who's this freckle-faced fuck? How are you?
That's an aggressive way to greet someone.
Look at this skinny latte prick. Your bones, kid. You here to whip these assholes into shape or what?
That's the idea.
Why is this happening?
Ouais, je suis un mec chill.
What? It's a hug, not a hand job. Lighten up.
Be that as it may, I'm
Ah,
still
c'est hyper
confused.
drôle.
Oh, right, because I'm old as shit. How about this? This jog your memory?
Trackstar?
Non, bolide, wesh.
Why are you accepting hugs from old men you don't know? Oh, and hey, they call me Chase around here, so keep it, you know.
Sure, right. Yeah, Chase.
It's been what, 10, 15 years?
Has it really been that long?
Yeah, I reached out to this little pissant when his dad passed. Then he got to ducking me like he owed me money.
I was in a weird place.
I understand, kid. It was tough on all of us.
Le
So
goth.
I can't imagine what you went through.
Yeah, so what's up? You gonna tell me why you look like Black Einstein?
Sorry. I never noticed.
C'est vrai qu'il lui ressemble un peu.
Fucker. It's the powers. I can move 50 times faster than the average person, but I didn't realize until it was too late. And I was aging 50 times faster when I used my powers. Nowadays, I'm moving slower than frozen piss to keep the old ticker from popping on me.
Then how old are you really?
I turned 39 a few months ago, but went to Dave and Buster's, shit was lit.
So I guess this means you're
Moi,
the
j'ai
one
39
person
ans.
I can't complain to about losing my suit.
You better not. I would resurrect and re-kill your fucking father in front of you if it meant being able to use my powers again.
Jesus, Chase.
Wow.
What? Obviously, I'd let Robert have one last I love you before I extinguished the light from his eyes.
Was he always like this?
Yes, actually.
We joke, we laugh, we suppress our trauma. All right, enough of this feeling shit. Let's introduce you to your team of losers. Now, if I'm being honest, I thought and still think we should have canned these tunas months ago.
And you might get your wish. Because if we don't see improvement soon, the whole program will be scrapped.
Cool. No pressure.
Révélez votre héros. C'est une chauve-souris.
Sonar here was a Harvard
Sonar.
graduate
Who will not shut the fuck up about being a Harvard graduate like all Harvard graduates.
who also orchestrated some of the most effective Silicon Valley investment frauds in U.S. history.
Also, sometimes he transforms into a fucking bat monster that would eat you ass first after he emptied your pension plan.
Intellectuel hybride. Bête et rapide. Ok. De quoi quand il est chauve-souris, il fait mal, il se défend, il va un peu vite. Mais il est intelligent, il parle bien. Ok. Oh non, purée, pourquoi il est dans ma team lui? C'est quoi Infobule? Ok. Pourquoi il est dans ma team?
Flambe, he
Controls the fire and the flame, and his skin does not burn.
Right, you met him. Didn't you ever run in with him years back?
I did. Yeah.
So you know he's a certifiable dickhead.
Allez, cache, c'est bon. Ouais, donc. Il pue sa mère en fait. Vas-y. Attends, mais j'ai pas vu. Ah, ok.
Invisigal,
Ouais.
who you met. Turned herself in a few months ago and entered the program on the condition we didn't ask questions.
That's a little suspicious now.
Suspicious, really? Of a criminal that turns invisible and doesn't like to answer questions?
Ah,
Tip
donc-
me off, Sherlock.
Elle peut devenir visible, mais en retenant son souffle, elle est asthmatique. Super drôle ça. Il est en Afghanistan, ouais, je pensais qu'elle était espagnole. Colérique. Ok. Ils ont tous fait des crimes, détournement, possession de drogue. Ouais, j'ai pas vu ça.
Here we have
Ah, c'est
coupé,
lui qui était derrière.
which I recently learned is a French ballet term that means to cut, hence the knives.
That's very clever.
Yeah, but it sounds dumb to say, so everybody calls her Coop. She was an assassin for the mob, then went independent.
Ok.
Punch up.
Ouais, c'est
Carnival's
que les gens
strong
qu'on a vu au
man
bar,
who
quoi.
made a deal with a sorceress. She gave him the
Un
strength
mètre,
of
il fait un
time,
mètre.
His muscles grew, but his body shrunk.
He's got all the charming brains of a greasy bowling ball.
Ouais, il gaze. Bah, en vrai, ça va. Il charme, force et truc. Et armure.
Malevola, terrifying. She's got a magic sword, and she creates portals that allow her to teleport.
Somehow she's still
Eh
late
ben,
for
comme
every
par hasard.
fucking meeting.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure she does it on purpose.
2 mètres, 6. Ouais. Je comprends les cordes. Ok.
That's Golem.
Pas
He
compliqué.
is a construct.
A construct?
Yeah, bunch of dirt and mud made sentient with magic. I think he's lonely.
Et la dernière,
Prism.
Prism.
Michigan born and raised. The power is weird. She weaponizes light rays or some shit. A lot of this stuff is a guess.
Why does she dress like a pop star?
She's actually super talented.
Ok, lui, il a grave de défense. J'ai pas regardé pour charisme. Regarde les points forts, ouais, ça j'ai vu. Ok.
Wait, so the Z team, my team, their Phoenix program?
That is correct.
Your own motley crew of dangerous fuck-ups.
We're not looking for miracles, but we'd love one if we could get it. Can you show him his desk?
Sure. What's that arm squeeze about?
You want one? Here.
Fuck off.
Wesh, mais en fait, de jeu, la série, je suis dedans déjà. Je suis dedans la série.
Pretty sparse, but feel free to decorate.
This computer's older than you look. Wait, so we're doing this? I haven't even met the team yet.
We did the slideshow.
First of all, that wasn't a slideshow.
Look, we like to start slow. Most people don't make it past the first dispatch. And this is better for everybody's safety.
What do you mean, safety?
You'll be fine. And this here is our little slice of the Southland. Whenever there's a crisis in the area, we get a call, and guess who answers?
Me.
Exactly. Now put your headset on and introduce yourself to these
C'est
pricks.
parti.
Hey,
Après,
team,
Flamenco
this
là, il
is
sait
your
pas que c'est moi.
dispatcher, Robert Robertson. I'm starting my first shift.
Tell me that's not your real fucking name. Bitch. You can't be this shook on your first day. Come on.
Can we clear the channel, please? There's a lot of overlapping on this.
I saw him in his underwear.
Who? Roberto son?
I saw him in his underwear.
He back in mine.
No, but he's got a lot of bruises, which I'm into.
Again, please clear the channel.
Get it, your email.
Shut the fuck up. Let me remind you, these calls are
Merci,
fucking
Cheese.
recorded for training fucking purposes. So keep the fucking line clear before we send
Oh,
you
c'est trop bien. La biche kiffe.
back to whatever fucking cell we
Wesh,
put you
wesh,
in
wesh,
fucking
wesh,
ass out
wesh,
of.
wesh.
Aight?
My son's
C'est
balloon
parti.
is stuck in a tree. Can you send someone?
Grimper un arbre. Donc faut avoir de la mobilité. Mobilité charisme, je dirais. Mais faut pas faire peur aussi. Ouais, je crois que je vais envoyer couper, hein.
Fetching a child's lost balloon is not the best application of my talents.
Okay. Then tell me what it is.
Off the books assassinations.
I
mais
will
on
take
fait
that
pas ça, on
under
fait pas ça.
consideration.
Monsieur Van der Steak a besoin d'un héros pour un événement très important. Très médiatisé et bonne image. Donc quelqu'un d'intelligent. Quelqu'un qui est charismatique surtout. Je vais envoyer Prism.
I'm going! I'll take Wednesday.
Tuesday. Dibs on Monday.
What are you guys talking about?
We're taking bets on when you'll quit.
Friday?
Today's Friday.
I know.
Ouais, malheureusement, j'ai mal joué là. Oh, je l'ai, let's go. Ouais, je savais, pas faire
That
peur enfant, c'était
was-
charisme, je savais.
Competent.
Bidet fou.
Oh my god! A pipe of Deus break shit everywhere!
Ah, ok, je dois pirater. Oh, c'est stylé. Ok, donc tu fais autre chose quoi. Vas-y, on répare le bidet, on répare le bidet.
My bad.
Bon, ils abusent.
Let's see if I can do this.
On va réparer le bidet, c'est parti. Tac, 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 tac. Tac, 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 tac. Tac, 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 tac. Et c'est parti pour le bidet. Bam! Ah, le jeu il pète sa mère. Hein. Ah, je pèse mes mots, il est super bien.
Get these idiots out of my bar before they destroy it. And don't send the flaming asshole.
Do you know who we saw in the bar last night? Mecha Man.
And he kicked Flambe's ass.
Diplomatiquement.
Okay. That little shit did not kick my ass.
He did though.
Yeah, I think I heard about that.
Ok, il parle de moi.
You didn't, because it didn't happen, Bob. So we're all going
Mais
to shut up
diplomatiquement,
about it.
c'est.
Yeah?
Ça va envoyer la chauve-souris. Hein. Intelligent et parole.
Alright.
Ah, ok, vas-y. Intelligent et parole. J'envoie le frérot là.
Sorry, yeah, I can't do that. They won't let me back in there.
Ah mais, ah, mais oui, d'accord, oui, c'est vrai. Vas-y.
Heading there.
Bobby,
J'avais oublié.
buddy, you made an excellent choice. The only right choice, I'd say.
Les idiots se battent pour Lone Fightman. Des noms qui déchirent. Parce qu'ils sont intelligents, ouais.
The Duelist and the Brawler. Those names are better than they have any right to be. Okay, what's going on with Sonar?
Oh, that, yeah.
Oh non.
He kind of randomly turns into a monster sometimes.
Randomly.
We are working
Ok, donc
on
là,
controlling it.
il est plus intelligent, juste il se bagarre là. Vas-y.
Boat robbery in progress at the
Vol de
yacht club.
bateau, poursuivre, restituer le bateau en un seul morceau. Ah, donc il faut quelqu'un qui court vite. Voilà, vous êtes gaze. Vas-y.
Nah, don't feel like it.
Ah, flambeau, je vais. Oh, vas-y, frère. Toi, tu cours vite, toi.
Sure, your call. So what was your read on this Mecha Man guy?
Washed up, drinking alone. A
Ah,
robot
ok.
guy without his
Ok,
robot,
donc
I guess.
elle est plus rapide quand elle est solo.
So, just a guy?
Hear that, Flambe? You got your ass kicked by just a guy.
All of you, shut the fuck up.
Carré. Ok, ouais, donc il fallait.
What's this guy even famous for? Seemed like a loser to me.
Laugh all you want. Someday, my subconscious will live on in a chip.
Ouais,
Your
il
subconscious
fallait
will be
faire
dead.
de la parlotte et être
Cringe.
intelligent.
Flambe, you're off route.
Il fait quoi, Flambé? Il fait quoi, Flambé? Mais Flambé il vient de cramer un truc là?
Fire at a local park has gotten out of control.
Did you start that fire?
No.
The fire that's burning 2 blocks from where you're standing. You didn't
Solide.
start that.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know what you're talking about.
Celui il est pas très rapide en fait.
How could I know?
Flambe, stop fucking around. I've got enough problems without you making new ones.
Whatever, man.
Ouais, j'ai envoyé Golem.
Good.
C'est une galère flambée, flambeau. Poursuivre le voleur, restituer le bâton d'un seul morceau. Ouais, je sais.
Pretty good for our first day.
Enferme. Voilà. Là.
Hey, someone's robbing the museum. I don't know what you do, man. I just started today.
Éviter les capteurs de mouvement. Bah, il me faut une USB meuf, mais. bah je vais attendre. Bon, repose-toi vite, repose-toi vite, repose-toi vite, repose-toi vite. Oh là, mon dieu. Mec, touche-le avec ton corps. J'ai loupé, hein. C'est sûr que je l'ai loupé celui-là. Ouais, j'ai full défense. Yes. Punaise, j'ai loupé. Je savais.
Danny the Bone Zone Diaz here. Today's topic is all about SDN, hiring criminals
Éduquer
to
l'entreprise
protect
sur
us.
le programme Phoenix. Pour éduquer... Fait quelqu'un de charismatique. Vas-y, mais personne n'est intelligent dans le groupe là. Ah, c'est coupé.
Okay.
Vas-y.
He leaked my mugshot.
Ah, j'ai loupé une mission, je le sais. Bonne année, Naomi, merci beaucoup. Aïe aïe, ça pue. Ah ouais, non. Punaise, il me fallait... Eh ouais.
Punch-Up can't know about this. He'll tease me for weeks.
Eh merde.
Hey, Bobby. Here, William Vandersnake needs a security detail. Is it cool if I go? Been wanting to pitch him some stuff I've been working on.
Yeah, pretty sure that's exactly what he's trying to avoid.
On m'a demandé de te montrer ficelle, alors me voilà.
For some situations, you can only
Faire un
choose one
choix.
solution.
Attendez. En fait, Sonar. Attends. Sonar, il est intelligent, il parle. Et non, mais quand il est chauve-souris, il se défend, il se protège. Ouais, pour sécuriser, c'est bien. Vas-y, on va aller Sonar.
I'm a high-ranking Vanderstanker. It would mean a lot.
Ah, lui pitcher des idées.
We're going to need you to protect Mr. Vanderstank from the Vanderstanker fan club.
Protégez-le. Empêcher les fans fervents du PDG de Nanu. Protéger, bah il me faut de... Je pense que je vais envoyer Golem.
Ah, I can't do it. I need you in the field. Sorry.
That's like a real bummer, man.
A kid just robbed me. That little shit, I want him behind bars.
Retrouver le pickpocket et le ramener chez lui. Faut une court vite, hein. Elle raisonnait. L'encourager plutôt. Ah si, bah elle est complète un peu, elle va un peu vite. Elle a
whatever you
deux.
say.
Bah vas-y, vas-y, je suis obligé de toute façon.
Well, the best teacher is Fia.
How long was the last dispatcher here?
2 days. New record.
How the fuck did that happen?
I set this car on fire. Yeah. Very flammable. Kia Soul.
And another one.
Un héros à monter d'un rang.
Now navigate to the new upgrade tab. Every rank up earns
Des points
skill
de
points.
compétences pète sa mère.
Use them for increasing stats.
C'est trop stylé. En fait là, je vais faire un... Je veux... Comment dire? Je vais les
Use the
caractériser.
plus icon next to a stat to spend a skill point. Once you confirm, you can't go back.
Elle va vite. Et on va mettre dans la défense. En fait, vu qu'il faut qu'elle aille vite et qu'elle puisse se défendre, par exemple, quand il y a un feu. J'ai pris l'exemple du feu en fait. Toi t'es super stock, mais t'es super bête aussi. On va te mettre dans l'intelligence par contre, parce qu'il faut rattraper le retard. C'est tout. Hein. Voilà, carré. Il manque elle. Il est stylé le jeu en tout cas. Parce que du coup il y a l'aspect chef là. Ouais. Mais ils ne savent pas quoi faire d'un voleur de 12 ans. On va pas lui faire peur, on va lui parler.
Just, you know, give him a pep talk.
Yes! Allez, une petite quête. Oh!
Grannies, I got this.
Hold up. Aren't
Aren't you banned?
Yeah, and I gotta get unbanned.
Là, dès que je suis donné, je devais m'aimer. Mais tu t'es fait
Yeah,
bannir.
nice try, dude. I'm not going anywhere. Except Granny's.
Ah, c'est moi qui décide en fait. Bon bah, vas-y.
I love looking at the beautiful homes in this city and knowing I'll never own one. Can I get ice down here, please?
What does that mean?
She's asking for a tap-in. We got access to security cams of SDN subscribers all over our territory.
Wow, really? Is that legal?
Don't ask questions. Just always make sure to read the fine print.
Elle dort. Elle dort, elle dort.
I didn't do this.
Right, I feel like you've said that a lot in your life. What happened?
This is how I found the place. The old guy who, I assume is Granny, was laying here when I walked in. Hey, what's your favorite donut?
Look, can you just focus?
Toujours
Like, you got
essoufflé.
ADHD or something?
Yes, fucker. Is it that obvious?
Yes, fucker, it is.
Well, then answer the question. I don't want to sit here and fixate on it when we're supposed to be doing whatever. super
Glacé,
hard
c'est
shit.
super bon.
Just a plain ass glazed donut. You happy?
Not as happy as you with that glaze all over you, huh? You slap that donut around on your face a little before you put it in your mouth, huh?
Yep, you got me. I love gobbling on hot, sloppy donuts. Love them from my mouth to my butt. How's it going? First day. Thanks for asking me that, so you could get all your funny jokes out. Now, can we maybe address the body in the room? What are you doing? You gonna poke it with a stick?
Check his pulse.
Granny's alive. Thank Christ.
Ah, c'est un mec,
I
ok.
didn't want to have to lip this guy. So, can I go now?
No, this
A wellness check. It's a B&E. Let's figure out the perp is still there.
Perp, B&E.
Okay, Lieutenant. Fuck, I can't think of a character from a cop show.
Cool. Well, why don't you stay put and work on that while I get another camera up online?
She's my least favorite. The worst of the lot.
That surprises me. You guys got similar energy. How do I switch cameras?
Just click the side here and you can cycle all the cameras in the building.
It's weird getting tech advice from an old person.
Bro, I'm not even 40 yet.
Weird hearing bro from an old person.
Dan. Lieutenant Dan? Is that a thing?
Yes, I am the legless Vietnam vet from Forrest Gump. Sick burn.
Donc c'est refusé. Bon, on va pirater. hein.
Am I doing something wrong? Pushing that button just says access denied.
Ah, damn it. Sometimes people add extra security. They don't understand it just makes it harder for us to do our job.
Hey, what's taking so long? Are you sleeping or something, or are you just bad at your job?
Vu que j'avais un PC dans mon robot, je sais comment hacker des trucs, je pense, pour ça. Je suis débile.
Why does a donut shop even need extra security?
Hello?
Ugh.
Ah, faut le mot de passe. J'ai capté. Là, ça va
This
me
note
donner le mot de
represents a
passe.
code to use later. Remember it.
Au bas, gauche, gauche. Vas-y. Faites ça, mais.
Alright, what do we got here?
Ok, donc il y a vraiment un mec.
Who are you, Lieutenant Dan?
Hey, shut up for a sec. You're not alone. He's coming your way, armed. You need to disappear.
Why are you whispering, you idiot? You're in my ear.
Ouais, c'est vrai que. Il est dans sa tête. Je vais lui enlever un gant.
God damn it, this bitch is a gusher.
Be careful.
I got this, Lieutenant Dan.
Mais careful, on a dit. Oh, elle est forte. Purée, elle est trop stylée, wesh.
Got any more great advice?
Vas-y, vas-y. Mais je suis bête, elle est tachée, j'ai oublié.
Shit. Vizigal, just hold him off while I find a way to help.
Allez, c'est parti. On va hacker les
I
bails.
can use the overhead sprinklers to short out his blaster.
Et un timer, pète sa mère, pète sa mère, pète sa mère, pète sa mère.
Got him.
Au bas. Gauche, haut. Wesh. Termine un niveau de piratage avec au moins un tir du minuteur. On est trop rapide. Ça s'appelle coup de foudre. Ouais. Oh le goat.
Granny, I don't think you know how to use that thing, so why don't you...
Shut the fuck up!
Oh, I'm one of the good guys.
You? Yeah, right. Don't fuck with me, okay? Nobody fucks Granny! Nobody fucks with Granny!
Invisigal, stay calm.
Great fucking advice, Lieutenant Dan.
Les armes mémé.
Okay, disarm Granny before the thing blows his
Faut la sauver.
face off. It looks super
Merci Dracon, bonne note aussi.
Attack the client. Fuck that.
I did things your way and it turned to shit. I'm taking out the guy who's been trying to kill me.
That wasn't a suggestion, it's a direct...
Et ouais, voilà, je t'avais dit, voilà, je t'avais dit.
You okay? Hey, are you okay? Come in.
I'm fine. But this guy, less fine. Smells like bacon a little. It's gross, but it's also kind of not bad.
Yeah, great. Okay, where's the perp? Jesus Christ, you gotta be fucking kidding me.
This feels like a win to me.
Il est débile, frère, je l'avais dit en plus.
Pretty good for first day. Sometimes people, you know, get electrical burns.
She disobeyed a direct order.
Well, that's the problem. This isn't the army, and these ain't soldiers. They're fucking supervillains.
Ouais, mais là,
Look, why don't you take a breather?
ça
We can
s'assurer le
debrief
doigt
with
d'honneur.
Blazer in a bit. Here, there's vending machines in the break room. You look like you could use a snack.
Are you sure you're not actually 80 years old?
Oh, je respecte, je respecte. C'est Chase, wesh, le goat. Non, mais j'ai eu un échec et un raté. Bah ouais, parce que cette grosse hamara, elle sait pas quoi faire. Je lui dis un truc, elle me dit non. Oh, c'est qui le chef? C'est qui le chef? C'est moi ou c'est toi? Débile, frère. Quoi? À qui? Ah, vigueur. Qui a pas de vigueur? Sonar, ça et toi, t'as tout pour être gros. Oh, elle, frère. Coupée, elle a rien. Et comment ça doit être bon, ça, un truc comme ça? Ah, bah, j'ai rien dit.
Hey.
Ah,
What kind of
vas-y, là,
superhero
vous êtes
flinches?
chiant, là.
I didn't say which superhero. Chill out.
If you had people trying to kill you for the last 15 years, you'd be jumpy too.
What makes you think my life has been any different? You think growing up surrounded by a bunch of shitbag villains, I didn't need to watch my back?
T'as besoin de me répondre.
Yeah, well, I guess you should do a better job picking your friends.
What the fuck?
You can't just go around. Ow! Why does he keep screaming?
His name's Sonar.
Yeah, I know what sonar means.
What's up?
Then why are you asking why he keeps screaming?
She was just explaining your, you know what? Never mind. Good shift.
This guy's weird.
Yeah, he is. Look, I actually just came by to celebrate the mission going well. Didn't mean to interrupt your little snack. What, do you need a pre-chew like a little baby bird, bitch?
You seriously think that went well?
No, I think it went great.
You trashed the place. The suspect got away and you got the
T'as
client.
tué le client et le type est
He thought he'd be ending the day winking at Lefty because you turned his other arm into a pork rind.
Granny would be fine if Granny didn't pick that fucking thing up in the first place. He's just some dumbass trying to be a hero. And don't fucking say it, I know where you're going.
Fact of the matter is that shit didn't need to happen. We could have had an outcome where the client doesn't get fried and we get the perp if you had just fucking listened to me. You ask for help, then I can... What now?
Ah, c'est bien gris là-dessus.
I make the calls, not you.
Here's some advice. You're right at home behind that desk because you're no hero. You were a nerd playing a video game in a suit your daddy built. Now you're a twitchy little bitch turtle without a shell. A real hero puts their ass on the line. A real hero can't just press a button and make their problems disappear.
The fact of the matter is, you need me way more than I need you. Based on what I saw today, you wouldn't last a day as Mecha Man. Because there isn't a mech suit in the universe that'll keep you from being a selfish fucking asshole.
Cassé.
Feel bad. Good. Fuck you.
Wesh, elle m'a une patate.
You gonna eat those Twinks?
That's not what they're... You know what? Help yourself.
C'est que c'est les Twinkies en fait. Être désobéi par une visigoire, là c'est pas de ma faute.
Here we go.
You have a tissue hanging from your nose, Robert. I was trying to ignore it, but that became impossible when it started soaking in blood.
Invisigal punched me in the face, but I asked for it.
Robert, this is serious.
It's not. I asked for it.
Okay, there's nothing you could have said that warrants her hitting
Would
you.
it be any different if I said I literally asked for her to hit me in the face, and then she did it?
I suppose.
Okay, then let's go with that.
We're here to assess Robert's first shift, and aside from whatever happened here, I thought it was pretty good.
What?
Told you, Robbie.
I was watching on the monitor. The work you did dispatching. I don't think the Z-Team has ever had a better shift than that.
We just might need to confront the fact that it might be the best they can do. Especially the way the Granny thing went.
Yeah, now the Granny situation, that wasn't ideal. But I've seen so much worse with Invisigal.
Let's be real. She ain't gonna make it.
She's difficult to work with, sure. But I see a lot of promise in her. Really. Even the other Z-Teamers respect her.
Moi j'aurais pu faire mieux.
I should have done better. Maybe a couple wires got crossed toward the end there. I could have been a little more clear with her.
You crossed 0 wires, okay? She crossed them for you.
Look, Robert, you should be proud.
Pourquoi elle est jaune,
It's very low with this group.
Oh la luminosité, wesh.
It's not low for me. Look, I like to make a joke and keep things light as much as the next person. But when it comes to work, I'm not fucking around here. If you want the Phoenix program to survive, the bar needs to go up.
And how would we do that?
By treating the Z-Team like what they are, a bunch of villains. And leading a supervillain team takes a different approach than a superhero team. I need to be around them. I need them to see I'm all in, and they need to match that energy.
Some tough love.
The only kind I know. And based on what I've seen, the only version they'll respond to. I'm not saying everyone will make it. They won't. I'm not saying it won't get spicy. It will. But when it does, I also need you to trust me to handle it. I don't want you stepping in. They need to respect me, even if I don't have powers.
Okay, we'll do it your way. Monday, we'll get them in a room and introduce them to their new supervillain leader.
I can't promise it'll work. I can only promise that I'll do my best.
No fucking way it's gonna work. But it'll be way more fun to watch.
Chase, some optimism, please.
God damn it. Yeah, I also promise to do my best.
Hey, kid.
What?
What are you doing?
Yeah. No. I did this. It's weird because yeah, I saw this lady, smiling lady, person put a donut on your desk earlier, previously, and it was nicely on a napkin. But then she comes back and she just crazy.
Ah, c'est une visigoire.
Evil mode and smashed the same donut.
What a mess.
En fait, elle voulait s'excuser, mais c'est énervé sur son excuse.
No, yes, John, SDN's newest
Hero?
helpful janitor. Helpful janitor.
Okay. Cool.
So, it's my pleases pleasure, and it's my job, which you helped me get. So, thank you. Thank you so much.
Happy to help.
It's Friday. I'm not gonna ask. You headed out?
Oh, yeah, great. Thanks, kid.
Welcome to the team, Waterboy.
Yeah, welcome to you. You too.
Bah, elle est là depuis longtemps. Faut dire bienvenue. Oh, vas-y, c'est ça son pouvoir. Il vomit de l'eau.
Hey, I want you to know us fixing your suit is not contingent on you fixing the Z-team. I wouldn't do that to you.
That's good to know.
But don't worry about that. I'm just really glad you're here, Robert. I
Allez,
think we're
je
going
propose
to
un
do
petit
some
date.
great things together.
Hey, so do you want to grab dinner or something? It's dinner time, so I assume that maybe, you know.
Actually, there's something I've been meaning to tell you.
Ah là, vas-y, je t'écoute,
It's
je
a little
t'écoute.
awkward to
Je
mention,
t'écoute.
but since the other night,
Blonde Blazer.
Fils de chien. Il m'a
Are
pété à
you
ma
ready to
baby.
go? Who is this? I thought I'd cataloged all of your work companions.
Robert, this is my boyfriend. This is our new dispatcher I was telling you about.
No.
The third Robert Robertson, leader of the Phoenixes. Blonde Blazer told me about you.
Je vais chialer.
Did she, say
Heureusement, je l'ai pas embrassé.
what came up in that talk?
She said you're a capable, honorable man that truly cares for others. Why are you so small?
Hey, come on. You gotta stop asking people that.
The way you spoke of him made him sound impressive. I only seek to understand. I apologize. How was his first day? Was his lack of size and strength an issue?
No, he was great. It was great. It was a great first day.
That is phenomenal. We should celebrate. Blonde Blazer and I have reservations in Tokyo at a restaurant where the owner dreams of
Ouais, de
sushi.
fou malade.
You should join us.
Elle a dit
I'm
non, je
sure
vais
they
devoir
can
refuser.
accommodate one more, especially
Elle a
a
dit non.
special occasion like this.
Actually, I gotta get home to my dog. He's very needy.
Oh, of course. And to be responsible for another life is a beautiful thing, even if that life is a dog life.
Yeah, right.
J'ai très envie de faire un épisode 3. Elle a dit thank you.
He flies a little faster.
It was very nice to meet you, third Robert Robertson.
A pleasure was...
Now, could you step back? The power of my launch has been known to stun small beings.
Oh là là.
Phenomenal.
Ah ouais, il va aller un peu plus vite. Ouais. « 93% avait fait un check. Et mes meufs peuvent frapper. Préféré une glacée. 28% de eux avaient proposé un rencard. Refusé de Jenny. Les épaules SSN a rencontré Wonderstank. 30% de joueurs et nous de notre fighting. Plusieurs mecs s'étaient coupés. 30% des joueurs pendant cette journée. Wesh, qu'est-ce qu'elle raconte dans sa musique, elle? Ah, la musique, elle pète sa mère, wesh. Masterclass. Merci beaucoup YouTube d'avoir suivi cette VOD. On se dit à la prochaine pour la suite du dispatch. Ciao.